see top news headlines of this week. Starting with some of the school news, summer camp will be organized for the students in class 8 in RES during the summer vacations. Internal assessment of the students from class PG to class 12 has been started from the first week of May. Now, some CBSE related news. Board exam twice a year from 2025. MOE asked CBSE to work out logistics, no plan for semester. New curriculum books, grade 3 and 6 from 2024-25. No change for other classes, CBSE. Now some of the national news. Pakistani leader praying for Rahul Gandhi to become PM, says PM Modi in Jharkhand. AEM Jaisankar rejects Joe Biden's xenophobia comment. Now some international news. Vietnam police arrest former head of government office amid anti-graft crackdown. Trump go-to flight anti-white feeling in US. His allies have a plan. Now some of the entertainment news. Kareena Kapoor Khan appointed UNICEF India National Ambassador. Gaurav Madan's 12 by 12 to release in theatre on 24 May. Now some of the sports news. Kolkata and their 12-year wait for a win at Wankhede at least less. Mumbai failed to get going. Rinku Singh exclusions from the T20 World Cup squad tactical decision, says Saurav Ganguly. Now some of the educational news. TNHLC result 2024. TNDGE result to be out on May 6 at 9:30 am. CBSE allows class 10 basic math student to option for the standard math in class 11. Now some of the other news. iOS 18 to borrow one major feature from Humane AI Pin. Several teams with the leader joined Shinde Sena in Maharashtra. Let's meet after a short break. Let's see these news headlines in detail. Starting with some of the school news. The summer camp will be organized in Rajans School for a student in class 8 during summer vacation for a sum of Rs 1100. The internal assessment of 10 marks of a student from class PG to class 12 has been started from first week of May. Now some of the CBSE related news. The Ministry of Education has directed the CBSE to plan for conducting board exam twice a year starting from 2025-26 academic session. The NCERT will release a new syllabus and textbook for class 3 and 6 while there will be no change in the curriculum and textbook for other grades for the academic year 2024-25 commencing from 1st April according to CBSE official. Now some of the national news. On his second day campaign in Jharkhand, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on May 4 made a wealth attack on Congress party and its leader while addressing a public meeting in Palamu and Gumla. External Affairs Minister S. Jaisankar Joe Biden's comment that xenophobia was hobbling the South Asian nation's economic growth reported on Saturday. Now some of the international news. Police in Benetton have arrested the former head of government office Mai Teng-dang on suspicion of abuse of power, the Ministry of Public Security said on Saturday amid a widening anti-graft crackdown in the Southwest Asian country. Donald Trump pledged to flight that recalls anti-white feeling in the US will likely embolden allies who seek to dismantle government and corporate programs created to the battle racism and boost diversity in the American life. Now some of the entertainment news. New Delhi UNICEF India on Saturday announced Bollywood star Kareena Kapoor Khan as its new national ambassador. Mumbai feature film 12 by 12 directed by Gaurav Madan will be released on 24th of May in theatre. Now some of the sport news. KKR had not beaten MI at the Wankhede Stadium since 2012, but what it ended as a superb bowling display helped them defeat Hardik Pandya's struggling side by 24 runs in a low-scoring contest. Former India keeper Saurav Ganguly said that Rinku Singh was excluded from the 2024 T20 World Cup squad as a tactical decision and told that better not to be disheartened. Now some of the educational news. DGETN is set to declare TNHSC result 2024 on 6th of May 2024. Students who have appeared for the TNDGE plus 2 exams in science, commerce and art stream can check their results on the official website. The CBSE has recently restarted that students who studied mathematics standard in class 10 are eligible to select mathematics as a subject for class 11. Now some of the other news. Apple's upcoming iOS 18 is expected to introduce a text summarization feature inspired by the Humane AI pen, aimed to enhancing comprehension and efficiency for users. Several leaders from the Shiv Sena UBT joined Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. They led Shiv Sena in Thane on Saturday. Thank you. Stay connected with RES News Channel.